Kidney 3 is on the medial ankle, and you're going to find the prominence of the medial malleolus. Again, obviously the medial malleolus is a very big bony prominence, and you want to feel for the top of the mountain and go straight back posteriorly to the Achilles tendon, and you want to go halfway between those 2 points. That is your approximate measurement. You're going to basically fall right in front of the tendon, and then you're going to feel for the point where it really is. So you basically can just use compression, pointing in slightly different directions as you sink into the area, and invite the chi to the area. The kidneys, their way of getting out of balance is all kinds of deficiencies: yin deficiency, yang deficiency, qi deficiency, and so you're usually going to need to tonify kidney 3. So you're usually going to have to invite the chi to the area, and this is a lovely time to use tuning forks, because tuning forks bring chi to the area because of the vibration. And so if you're not practiced at working with bringing chi to the area, you don't have to be. You can just have the tuning forks do the work for you. And similar to what I demonstrated, finding the relationship between points, sometimes the best way to tell if you're on it is to slide off of it and see how that feels by comparison. So I can slide a little bit off of it in different directions and feel when it feels like I'm right on it. When I slide this too far back this way, it feels kind of empty, like it's not doing much, and it also feels like I'm just getting into the tendon. When I slide too far anteriorly, it starts to feel bony, like it's just generally vibrating the bones in the area. This feels a little squishy, but in an empty way, not in a tender way, like there's not much going on there. And it's definitely right around here, and I'm just going to scoot now in a matter of millimeters and slightly push in different directions. And there's right the center of it. It's the deepest part of it. And I can feel the vibration going right into the middle of it. A good comparison point on this one, if you're not sure, that talks to kidney 3 is actually UB60, which is basically the same location but on the lateral side. And when you actually use acupressure, you can even press on the 2 points at the same time with a pincer grasp. So with a pincer grasp, you can squeeze those 2 points and start with bigger circles and get into smaller and smaller circles, like you're spiraling into the center of the point. So you're spiraling into the center of a spiral and gradually deeper and deeper, so you get right into the center of the point. Another point that you can see if there's a relationship, if you're actually on kidney 3, is kidney 1. In reflexology, that's solar plexus at the base of the ball of the foot in the soft spot. This is, however, more of a subtle sensation. This would work better if you can feel energy or therapeutic pulses. It's not as obvious a relationship as spleen 6 to spleen 9. But if you slide off of the point and then onto the point, that can be a really good way to train yourself of what is correct. At first you might feel like, well, I can't feel this, I don't know what I'm feeling. But if you actually slide off of the point and then onto the point, you'd be surprised that you can actually feel that one of them just feels more right.